Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable Google Chrome from running in the background once you have closed out of the Chrome browser. So this should hopefully speed up your computer a little bit, and this is going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and we are going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Chrome browser if it's not already open. And you want to select the three-dotted vertical icon near the top right corner of the browser screen, where if you hover over it, should say Customize and Control Google Chrome. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select Settings near the bottom of this drop-down list. Scroll down again until you get to Advanced, and you want to expand that. Scroll down again, and then underneath System, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Toggle this to the off position by clicking inside this oval one time. Once you're done with that, you can close out of here, and that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.